This is the underside of the Hexacopter here. Got it flipped upside down. Here's the legs. These are made of, these are all twill weave, 2mm thick carbon fiber. Got the word gearhead machined into the side. This is the anti-vibration assembly here. This is what your gimbal is going to connect to. It's similar in design to the Zenmuse system, where you've got these anti-vibration elements. These are actually Berry Control anti-vibration balls, so these are the real deal. These aren't the little cheap knockoffs you get from China. And so it's pretty simple how it works. It's got some standoffs that connect up to the frame that run up through this little assembly here, and decouples this entire plate and these arms from the craft. This is 3mm thick carbon fiber plate, top and bottom. This is really rigid right here. And this thing is adjustable, so you could slide these back and forth if you wanted to, and you can also move these in and out on these carbon fiber tubes here. So that's the underside. This is where your gimbal will connect. You can take this off. This is a 12mm bolt circle. The center hub of my gimbal was connecting straight up to here. You can remove this plate and you could drill your own holes to whatever size you want and whatever configuration of gimbal you've got. So I'll flip it upside down or right side up. Right, so here's the top. You can put batteries in 2 locations. You can put, I was using 2 8,000 milliamp, one here and one here on the arms, but you could also mount them here on the legs. There's 2 plates on the legs for mounting. Or you could run up to 4 8,000 milliamp batteries on this thing. It's got 21.5mm carbon fiber tube arms, and this thing is roughly, I think it's 850mm from this motor to the opposite motor, so it's an 850. So how I had it set up is my ESCs were underneath each of these, and then I had my flight controller and receiver and all that other business up here. This top crash cage is removable, so it comes off, and then you'd install your electronics and you'd bolt this thing back on. So this is a custom rig. This is a pretty unique. Well, it is. There's nothing else like it out there actually. This is the only one. Designed it all in 3D CAD, and I've flown this thing a number of times. Flies great, done a bunch of good work with it, but I'm designing out a new prototype, so I have no need for this guy anymore. I figured I'd sell it to somebody so they could enjoy it. This is a great craft. It's got a lot of space underneath for your gimbal. I'm actually gonna miss it. It's really a pretty cool setup. So that's it. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll answer them promptly.